Welcome, concerned viewers, to a video that could change your life. Today, we dive deep into 10 ways of cessation of smoking and the harrowing effects of smoking in the human body. Smoking, often glamorized in the past, is far from a harmless habit. It's a silent predator that wreaks havoc on every organ within us. In this eye-opening journey, we will uncover the grim reality of what smoking does to your body. So, if you have ever wandered to smoking cessation, let's dive into this. Scene 1. First and foremost, let's talk about the impact smoking has on your health. Smoking is the leading cause of heart disease, lung cancer, and respiratory problems. It's like a silent assassin, slowly corroding your vital organs. Your heart works tirelessly to pump blood, but smoking clogs your arteries, increasing the risk of heart attacks. Your lungs, designed for a clean air, become battlegrounds for cancer cells due to toxic smoke. And the respiratory problems? Well, that persistent cough is just the tip of the iceberg. Smoking even ages your skin prematurely and decreases your stamina. But fear not, because today we are here to explore the path to a healthier, smoke-free you. Scene 2. Way number 1. Set a quit date. Circle it on your calendar. Make it bold and make a commitment to yourself. This is not just a date, it's a declaration of freedom. On this day, you take back control of your life and embark on a journey towards a healthier you. Scene 3. Identify triggers. Number 2. Identify your triggers. Take a good, hard look at what situations make you crave a cigarette. Is it stress, social gatherings, boredom? Understanding these triggers is half the battle. It's like shining a light on your enemy so you can better prepare to defeat it. Scene 4. Nicotine replacement therapy. Next, consider nicotine replacement therapy. Products like nicotine gum can be your ally in this battle. They provide a controlled, safer dose of nicotine to help reduce withdrawal symptoms and those relentless cravings. It's like having a shield to protect you on your journey to quit smoking. Scene 5. Seek support. Way number 4. Seek support. You don't have to do this alone. Whether it's friends, family, or support groups, having a support system makes a world of difference. They are your comrades, your cheerleaders, and your pillars of strength. Scene 6. Healthy alternatives. Switch to healthy alternatives like crunchy veggies or sweet fruits. Keeping your mouth and hands busy with nutritious snacks can help you overcome the urge to smoke. Plus, it's a tasty way to take care of your body and fill the void left by cigarettes. Scene 7. Stay active. Stay active. Regular exercise not only keeps you fit, but also reduces stress, making it easier to quit smoking. When you're on the move, those cravings don't stand a chance. Exercise is your secret weapon in this battle for a smoke-free life. Scene 8. Mindfulness and relaxation. Practice mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Deep breathing, meditation, and yoga can help you manage stress without reaching for a cigarette. Picture your mind as a calm, tranquil pond, free from the ripples of smoking-related stress. Scene 9. Reward yourself. Reward yourself for milestone achieved. Treat yourself to something special when you reach a smoke-free week, month, or year. It's not just a celebration, it's a reminder of your incredible journey. You have earned it. Scene 10. Never give up. And finally, never give up. Relapses happen, but they don't define your journey. Keep trying and remember why you started in the first place. You're stronger than you think, and this battle is worth every effort. Stand up, brush off the setbacks, and keep moving forward. You have got this. There you have it. Our 10 ways of cessation of smoking cessation. Remember, quitting smoking is one of the best decisions you can make for your health and well-being. You believe in you, and we are here to support you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Together, we can kick the smoking habit and live our best lives. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.